In the oil and gas industry, time isn't just money, it's everything. When operations stop, costs skyrocket and entire projects can stall. That's exactly what happened when one drilling contractor faced an unexpected challenge: a critical diesel fuel filter element shortage that threatened the entire supply chain. The contractor relied on a specific fuel filter element for every job site, but a growing backlog from the original supplier led to downtime, project delays, and frustrated crews. They needed an immediate, reliable replacement that wouldn't sacrifice quality over performance. Schroeder Industries proposed the Best Fit series replacement elements engineered for maximum dirt holding capacity, superior particle capture, and minimal pressure drop. The elements fit directly into the contractor's existing housing, no redesign required, and Schroeder worked closely with their distributor to ramp up production, establish local inventory, and stabilize supply. The results came fast. Reliable, consistent element supply restored full operational confidence, improved service life and better filtration performance over the original elements, a competitive price point, and extended lifespan delivered immediate ROI. And most importantly, the original supplier was fully displaced. The contractor's team went back to doing what they do best: drilling without interruption. The Best Fit FBO replacement elements engineered to outperform, designed to fit, and proven to keep industries moving when it matters most. Schroeder Industries, keeping the world moving.